Hey, what's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel, where today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up and taking a look at this wallet-friendly gaming chair from AliExpress. Now I just want to say a big thanks to AliExpress for kindly sending over this gaming chair for me to make this video. And if you like what you see and you want to pick up one for yourselves, I'll be putting a link in the description. Now, if you've never used AliExpress before, their prices are very low. Currently, they are even lower because they have a back to school sale on. Now, you haven't got long to take advantage of this savings because the sale ends on the 25th of August. But the good news is the savings can be up to 70% off. Now, there's also discount codes. So if you're in the UK and you spend £40 or more, you can save yourself £5. Spend over £75 and you save yourself a tenner. Save 30 quid if you spend over £200. And even if you're not going to spend a lot of money, you can still save yourself £2 for orders of £19 or more. So go and check out their link in the description, see what bargains you can pick up for yourselves and take advantage of those discounts, and maybe pick up one of these chairs if you like what you see. So thanks very much once again to AliExpress. Okie dokie, let's crack on then, and we're first going to take a look around the outside of the box. And to be honest, there's not a lot to look at, but we will take a look at the side here where it gives us the dimensions there of the box itself. So it's 80 by 28.5 by 58.5. And we've got the net weight and gross weight, which are coming in at 14.7 and 16.4 kilos. Let's now get this box open then, and I've got to be totally honest with you, I don't know what colour this chair is, so a bit of a mystery unboxing for me. Hopefully it won't be bright pink, says the guy in a bright pink top, but anyway. Right, so there we go, that is how it comes boxed up. So everything looks like it's individually wrapped. So I'll just throw all these pieces out before we do the setup process. Looks like that's the legs for it there, bag of bits, and we've got the main seat pieces, and then finally the main back piece. And I'll tell you what we'll do, just quickly open this up and take a look at the colours of it. So there we go, black and purple. That's pretty nice. That's all the chair components unwrapped now then, and we've also got these. A nicely organised set of screws and washers. And it's nice to see that it's also supplied with an Allen key. Now I'm also pleased to say that we do get a full set of instructions, and yes, they are in English. And the good thing about it is there is only 6 steps to complete making up the chair. So let's crack on and put this thing together. Now the first step is to put the wheels onto the legs. So we've got 5 of these in total. Simple enough, just push these on. Final one. There we go. A little bit stiff, a couple of them, but not too bad. Next we got this thing, which is like your gas strut. That just simply drops into place like so. And then we've got the nice drinking vessel that they've kindly supplied, or a telescope. No, only joking, it just simply pops on like that. Next up, we got to attach the arms to the base of the seat. Simple enough, we've got the holes there, and we just utilise 4 of these screws and 4 of the washers with the supplied Allen key. That's one done, and that's it complete. On to step 3 already. Now we've got to attach this piece to the base of the seat. Again, just going to use the supplied bolts, and just need 4 of these to screw it on. There we go, that's step 3 complete. On to step 4 now then, and this is a very simple step. Just simply got to place the base of the seat onto this part. So let's just lift it on. There we go, simple as that. On to step 5 now then, and for this we need the back of the chair, and we've got this Velcro piece which, when we peel that back, reveals 4 screw holes. Need to attach this piece of metal and utilise these 4 bolts. There we go, and finally just push that flap back. On to step 6 now then, and all we need to do is grab the back, slide that in like so, and attach the final 3 bolts. And that is step 6 complete. Now I've noticed a bit of a mistake. Like I said, there are 6 steps apparently, which is true, but unfortunately it says step 6, and then turn the page over and we've got a second step 6. So yeah, someone clearly can't count. Not to worry, simple enough. All we need to do is attach these 2 pillows. Now the first pillow we've got to put on is the one on the lower back. So we've got these straps. So I fed one through the bottom, and if I just show you there it is. And we get the other one and lift it through the little hole up the top there. And this is like elasticated. Simply clip that together. That's one done. Same on the other side. There we go. That is the lower one done. And then the final one for the back of your neck. Simply unclip that. Put the straps through these holes at the top. There we go. That is the chair complete. Well, I've got to say, that was dead easy to put together. Anyone could do that. And even with filming, I would say that took maybe, 10 minutes? So yeah, not a long time at all. Let's now take a look at the design of this chair and its functions. So it does look like many other gaming chairs, which in turn also look like a seat from a racing car, which does look very smart. Now if we go a little bit closer and start off at the top, we can see that we do have this purple piping that does run all the way around the edges of the seat like so, and that is a nice touch. Moving down, and we've got these 2 cutouts just there, again given a sporty sort of look, and we do have that support there for the neck. Then we come to the sides and we can see we've got these wings going out, and then we have this logo, and I'm pleased to say that is actually stitched in. It's not printed on, so we know that that's not going to rub away. Moving down once more, and then we have that lumbar support, and again we can move this up and down just by simply moving these straps, just like we can with the neck support. Now we come to the base, and that's nice and long, as we can see there, which is going to be nice and supportive for the back of the legs. Then we have the armrests. Again, these are just like concaved, so your arm will sit in there nicely. Moving further down again, we've got purple at the front there, and then coming down to the bottom, and we've got these purple bits on the legs as well. Now spinning the seat round, we can see that it does spin nice and freely, to be fair. It's not stiff at all. Look at that, just a light little push. There we go. It spins round, and again moving it about, this is on carpet, and yeah, moves nice and freely. So those casters are doing a good job. And if we just move it around to the side, you can see just here we've got 2 levers. So we've got one for the lift. Again, I'll be trying these out in a minute. So that's going to adjust the seat up and down. And then this one just here is for our recline, so we can lock it into a certain position, or we can have it moving freely. Okie dokie, let's now test drive this thing. So sit in it for the very first time. There we go. Now I'm pretty weighty, but this thing can support up to 250 pounds, so should be good for the average person. Now, as you can see, I've got my arms rested on there nicely. Unfortunately, these do not adjust, but still nice and comfortable for resting your arms on. Now, again, I'm pretty tall, so that neck pillow is sitting down a little bit low at the moment, but I can simply reach around and put it up like that, and that's perfectly fine. Now, again, we've got that lumbar support there. Again, I can just shift that up a bit. So it was down low. Just simply give it a good tug. Those straps move around. There we go. And get that placed nicely in the arch of our back. Now again, let's see how freely this spins. So look at that. To be fair, that's pretty decent. It's not creaking or anything like that. I'm feeling sick now. Go around one more time. There we go. Oh, spun me right out. So yeah, spins nice and freely. Like I said, I'm pretty heavy. So yeah, it's good that it's not making any weird noises. Let's now move on to these controls. So the first one, we're going to do the lift. So if I stand up, pulling that up, there we go. We got to the max height. And then we can just simply pull that up a little bit to adjust it down to different heights. There we go, all the way down. Up like so. There we go. Nice. Now we come to the recline part. So at the moment, I push back, it's not going anywhere. But if we pull up on the recline handle, what we can do is we can either just pull it all the way up. Now this will recline all the way back. That goes quite far back, and you can just lie like that if you wish, you know, and that will just follow you as you go up and down. Or you can get it into a position that you like, and when you've got it there, just simply push down on that, and now that is locked into place, so you can just lock it out wherever you feel is best. Get yourself nice and comfy. Now one thing I do like actually is these parts. Feels nice on your legs, feels bit supportive, not too sort of cramped in, but yeah, it feels nice that your legs aren't falling off to the side. Now when it comes to the quality, well, it's not the best quality I've ever felt in a gaming chair before, but to be honest, you get what you pay for, and this is cheap. But I wouldn't say it feels really cheap at all, far from it. I think it's more than adequate. This base bit is nice and padded. You know, you've got the padding where you actually need it. More expensive ones will have far more padding and more adjustability, but still for the money, honest to God, I don't think you can go too far wrong at all. Let's be honest, not everyone's got deep pockets, and if you are on a budget, I think it would make maybe a great gift for a birthday or Christmas, or even if you want to treat yourself. And it certainly beats just a regular chair. So there you have it then, guys. That was the wallet-friendly gaming chair from AliExpress. And yeah, I do like it. And if you like what you see, I'll be putting a link in the description where you can go and bag yourself an absolute bargain. Now, if you have enjoyed today's video, do me a favour and make sure you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't, and hopefully I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.